The outer physical body represents the Bhulok or the earth. Only after it has been consecrated and enlivened by the Guru can one enter into oneself and reach the next lok, that is Bhuvalok. When the door to the Bhuvalok opens up, one realizes the true essence of a human life. This second stage or Bhuvalok represents the development of the feeling, may I attain the knowledge to understand the entire universe. The third door is Swahalok. In this stage, one develops a capability to see and understand the universe. One starts to realize one's own true self, and one finds the solution to several questions like, who am I? What is the significance of my life? How can I conquer the entire universe? How can I make the universe enter into my soul? In fact, one can realize the entire universe within one's soul on reaching the Swahalok. The stage next to Swahalok is Mahalok. On entering this lok, a person becomes capable of controlling every event occurring anywhere in this universe. Sitting in one place, he can change the course of any event going on anywhere. He can also be a witness to any incident taking place on any planet. Next to the Mahalok is the Janalok. Herein lies the key to all the joy present in the universe. On reaching this lok, a person can acquire a subtle form and can thus travel to any part of the universe. Then he can reduce his physical body to the size of a mosquito, and in this state he can travel anywhere to any planet. On reaching the planet, he can regain his original form. Thus, a unique capability to reduce one's size and then regain it can be achieved on entering the Janalok. After Janalok is the Tapalok. Through the unique attainments of this lok, one can form other bodies similar to one's own. One can thus form 20, 50, 100 or more bodies of the same size, same complexion, same physique, and with the same thinking process. Just imagine that if I can form 100 other bodies similar to my own, then I can sit here in one form talking to you. With my second body, I can at the same time be thousands of miles away with someone else, and in my third body, I can enter into Siddhashram. With the help of my fourth body, I can be in Suryalok giving discourses, and with the help of my fifth body, I can carry on some other task. Thus, being in Tapalok, one can form hundreds of other bodies in order to accomplish various tasks at the same time. After crossing the sixth door, one reaches the seventh door called the Satyam Lok. This is the seventh body or seventh stage of spiritualism. With our material visions, we can see only the outer physical body with its ears, nose, eyes, hands, and legs. But inside this outer body, there is the second, then the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and finally the seventh body. This final state, Satyam Lok, is the door to Brahmanand, the eternal joy. and reaching it, one is filled with complete spiritual enlightenment.